Okay, so here is the TONEX One pedal. My guitar is plugged into the input, and the output is going to my interface. It could also go to an amp. It is a mono output. It also would work with a TRS stereo cable. The pedal has a USB-C connection. You can connect to your computer. This allows you to use the TONEX software. In the software, you can browse through many amps, adjust the amps, and then drop the amps with the settings onto the pedal. Initially, when I plugged the pedal in, it did not show up in the app. It recognized the pedal was plugged in, but directed me to do a firmware update. It was no big deal. It updated the firmware quickly, and the pedal showed up in the app. I'm powering the pedal with a 9-volt adapter. Keep in mind, I only had this pedal for about a half hour, dialed up some sounds, and dropped them right on the pedal. Let's give it a listen. So you can hear that's a little bit noisy in between the chords. To access the gate, you just push in the Alt button, then adjust the threshold of the gate with one knob. It's that easy. Now you will hear the silence between each chord. Without the gate, you get all this noise. Turn up the threshold of the gate, and that will clean that right up. The 3 top knobs are multifunctional. If I push in the Alt button again, bass, mid, and treble are active. To access the amps I loaded into the pedal, I'm going to push in the Alt button and the metal button at the same time. I can toggle through the amps with this knob. I believe there are 18 amps total. The last few settings do not have cabinet modeling. That would sound really great in front of an amp. So a quick review, back to some of the amps that I really enjoy. I love this little pedal. Look how cute it is. You cannot believe the big sound that you can get out of this little thing. Wow. I enjoy the TONEX One. I plan to use it on many recordings. I bet you'll enjoy it also.